Hello friends, in this video we intend to discuss identity verification and uploading documents on the BT Markets broker after the initial account opening. In section 4, which is related to ID verification and funding your account, we will focus on uploading documents. We click on the Proceed to ID verification option, and in this section we need to select the type of identification document you want to upload. And after entering the ID number, you click on the next option. Upload your document clearly, ensuring all corners of your ID are visible. Click Upload. Photo page to upload your ID image. Next, upload the back of your ID card and click Next. Your documents are now submitted and under review. In this section, you will upload the back of your identification card and then you click on the Next option. As you can see, the documents you uploaded have been successfully submitted to the broker and are currently under review. By clicking the Deposit option, you can now proceed to fund your account. By selecting the Home, you return to the trading dashboard. And from the Profile section, you click on the Verification status. The items related to your account opening have been verified, and the items related to your identity verification are under review. In step 3, verify your address by clicking Verify Now. Choose Document for address verification, then click Next. After completing the details related to your residential address and selecting the desired document for address verification, you click on the Next option. Please ensure the service bill you upload is recent from the last 6 months and click Next. Upload a clear identification document with all corners visible. After uploading, click Next. The broker reviews your documents for address verification and results are emailed to you. The broker confirmed via email that your documents are accepted. Check the verification status in your profile. After uploading the documents, you click on the Next option, and as you can see, the uploaded documents for verifying your residential address are also under review by the broker. The results of the review will be sent to you via email from the broker. Based on the email we received from the broker at our registered email address, it was confirmed that the documents we submitted have been successfully accepted by the broker. We can check this in the Verification Status section of our profile. The items are accepted, and our BT Markets account is verified. We will show depositing and withdrawing steps with this broker. Our BT Market account is verified. In upcoming videos, we will go through the process of depositing and withdrawing with this broker. Wishing you success, profit.